If you are looking for the best hot glue gun, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. CCbetter Mini Hot Melt Gun. The CCbetter Hot Glue Gun is one of the most popular models among DIY crafters. This is a durable model made from plastic and aluminum. With a working power of 20 watts and a temperature of 356 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, it is the perfect high-temp model for any DIY project and heats up in 3 to 5 minutes. It's easy to toggle the on-off switch and the LED indicator light lets you know that the tool is heating up. It has a flexible support bracket so you can set it aside safely. Number 2. Cobiz Gun Kit. The Cobiz Hot Glue Gun is a terrific option for arts and crafts, DIY projects, or commercial applications. The Cobiz Glue Gun features an adjustable heating element that allows you to select 60 or 100 watts of power. And the ceramic PTC thermal heating system and copper tip ensures your tool is heated up in 1 to 3 minutes. This full-size hot glue gun is comfortable to hold and features an ergonomic design. Cobiz heavy-duty glue gun has inbuilt safety features and fuse that prevent overheating. Number 3. Surebonder Mini Detailed Glue Gun. The 20-watt Surebonder H195F Mini Glue Gun is one of the best options out there for anyone interested in a compact model at a very low price. This is designed with an extended tip that allows you to achieve highly detailed work. For enhanced protection, it features a safety fuse, detachable wire stand, and side fins which allow you to lay it safely down on its side. And the ergonomic rubber handle and trigger offer a comfortable grip for reduced user fatigue. It's durable enough to handle heavy use and heats up in less than 5 minutes. Number 4. Chandler Tool Mini Glue Gun. The Chandler Tool Mini Glue Gun is ideal for light-duty crafting projects, when you don't want to break out the big guns, literally. This sleek mini glue gun is compact, easy to use, and boasts a truly professional quality, despite its small size and low price point. The Chandler Tool Mini Glue Gun comes with a stand-up base, as well as a traditional stand, and can be used with a 5/16" adhesive glue stick. The product is popular among online users for its lightweight feel and effective capabilities. Number 5. Stanley Tools GR20AX. The GR20AX is another example of Stanley's superior tool line. This glue gun is well made and allows you to easily control the flow of glue so you can get into those hard-to-reach spaces without making a mess. The Stanley Tools GR20AX is compact and heats up quickly. The smooth trigger feed mechanism controls the flow of glue for detailed and precise results. It's durable and comfortable to grip, making it perfect for extended use. Plus, it comes with 12 glue sticks to get you started. The flip-down stand helps you put the device safely aside when you're not using it.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.